How to connect internet from mobile to laptop. Hey guys, welcome back to another quick and short tutorial video. In this video we are going to learn how to connect internet from mobile to laptop via hotspot. It's a very easy and simple process to learn it. You have to watch this video till the very end. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, go ahead and open up your mobile settings, and once you are on your mobile settings, then here you will get connections. Tap on it, and after that here you will get mobile hotspot and teeth earning. Tap on it, and after that at the top you will get mobile hotspot. Tap on it, and now here you will get network name and password. Tap on network name, and then now type a network name you want. You can also type your own name, and after that here you will get password. Tap on password. Now type a new password here, and your password must be at least 8 characters, and then tap on save, and then enable this toggle. And if you are connected to your Wi-Fi right now, then it will ask you to turn off your Wi-Fi. So tap on turn off, and then this toggle will be turned on. And now all you have to do, go to your laptop screen, and once you are on your laptop screen, now click on this start menu over here, and then here you'll get settings. Click on settings, and after that here you'll get a network and internet. Click on network and internet, and then here you'll get Wi-Fi. Click on Wi-Fi, and then at the top you will get Wi-Fi. You have to click on here to turn it on, and then here you will get show available networks. Click on it, and then here you will get all the Wi-Fi networks. And then now click on your hotspot name, and then here you'll get connect. Click on connect. Now here you have to type your hotspot password, and after that click on next, and here you can see that connected. And now I'm gonna open a web browser, and as you can see that my laptop Wi-Fi is connected to my mobile hotspot. I hope you understand the full process. If you think this video is useful, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Goodbye.